Very good morning, students. So in this particular lecture we'll be talking about the reproduction in amoeba. So there are three main methods of reproduction in amoeba. As we all know that amoeba is a protozoan and this is a single celled organism. So it is not reproducing sexually. So amoeba is reproducing by asexual reproduction by three methods. So the very first method is binary fission. So as the name suggests, binary means two and fission means breaking up. So a single amoeba is broken up into two daughter amoebae by the process of mitosis. So binary fission, it involves the process of mitosis and it involves all the phases of mitosis, including first phase is the prophase, then we have the metaphase, anaphase, then telophase, and then cytokinesis. So cytokinesis is the division of the cytoplasm. In this particular diagram you can very well see that at number 1 we have the amoeba. Number 2, it is the elongation of the nucleus. So nucleus is elongated to some extent, and then this nucleus, it breaks up, and at last at number 4 cytokinesis it occurs, and we have the two daughter cells or the two daughter amoebae which are formed as a result of binary fission. Here one thing is worth mentioning, that one amoeba is breaking up into two amoebae, daughter amoebae. So who is dying? Nobody is dying. So both the amoebae are living, and number 1 amoeba has divided into two cells, so nobody is dying over here. So that's why amoeba is also called as immortal animal. The second method of reproduction in amoeba is multiple fission, division into many cells. So one particular amoeba can give rise to a number of young amoebae, as here in this diagram you can very well see. In the very first diagram it is labeled as cyst wall. Now this cyst wall, this is the wall formed by the amoeba as a protection mechanism against any kind of stress. So if amoeba is under any kind of stress, it will form a cyst wall around it which will help to protect it from that particular stress. Now under this cyst wall, the nucleus of the amoeba will divide into many daughter nuclei. So in the second diagram you can see the formation of a number of daughter nuclei. So this is from the division of the single nucleus of the amoeba. In the third diagram you can very well see this is the formation of pseudopodiospores. Now what are these structures? In the second diagram, the daughter nuclei formed, they gather some cytoplasm around it and they form pseudopodiospores. So these are a huge number of pseudopodiospores which are formed in a single amoeboid cell under the cyst wall. So whenever the environment is favorable, whenever the stress has gone, this particular cyst wall, it breaks up and the pseudopodiospores, they come out, as you can see in diagram 3rd. So these are forming young amoebae in water. The third type of reproduction in amoeba is by sporulation. So this is the third type. Now here the mechanism is the very same as in the case of multiple fission, but this process of sporulation is without the formation of cyst wall. As I have mentioned earlier, the cyst wall was formed due to the presence of some kind of stress. But here in sporulation, stress is present, but the magnitude of the stress is not that much that the amoeba should form a cyst wall. So it is again worth mentioning phenomenon that if the amoeba is under stress, it will form many individuals. So it will be going for multiple fission or sporulation. If there is no stress, amoeba is living in very good conditions, then it will only go for binary fission. Students, there is one another method which is suggested by some of the scientists in reproduction of amoeba is rejuvenation. So those scientists, they observed that in rejuvenation, two old amoebae, they come together, they join together for some time, and then after a particular period of joining, they separate out, and when they separate out, they become as new ones, as young ones. So this particular remarkable phenomenon is called as rejuvenation. So old people, old amoebae, they come together, and when they separate, they become new ones.